Lucid dreaming is the experience of becoming aware that you are dreaming while still in the dream state. Once lucid, you can often learn to control the dream narrative, environment, and your actions within it. This phenomenon was once considered philosophical speculation, but pioneering work by Dr. LaBerge at Stanford University provided irrefutable scientific proof. Using eye signaling techniques, LaBerge enabled dreamers to communicate from within their dreams, confirming that lucid dreaming is real. Research has linked lucid dreaming to increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, the brain region associated with higher-order consciousness and self-awareness. Interestingly, this area is typically deactivated during standard REM sleep. This means that during a lucid dream, your brain is operating in a unique state, blending aspects of waking consciousness with the vivid imagery of dreams. Understanding this science helps us appreciate why lucid dreaming is not just a mystical experience, but a trainable cognitive skill. Before you can become lucid, you need to remember your dreams. Lucid dreaming is impossible without strong dream recall. If you can't remember your dreams, you won't even know you're dreaming. The first step is to improve your memory of dreams. Start by setting an intention before sleep. Tell yourself, I will remember my dreams tonight. Keep a dream journal by your bed and write down everything you remember immediately upon waking, even if it's just a fragment or a feeling. Record it. Over time, your recall will improve. Also, try to wake up naturally without an alarm if possible, as alarms can disrupt the delicate process of dream recall. If you must use an alarm, choose a gentle sound. The goal is to make dream recall a habit, as it trains your brain to pay attention to the dream world. The mild technique, developed by Dr. LaBerge, is one of the most effective and scientifically validated methods for beginners. MILD stands for mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. It's a cognitive strategy that leverages prospective memory, the ability to remember to do something in the future, in this case, to recognize that you are dreaming. Here's how to do it. Before falling asleep, repeat a phrase like, "Next time I'm dreaming, I will remember I'm dreaming." Visualize yourself in a recent dream and imagine becoming lucid. This primes your brain to recognize the dream state. The key is to combine this with the Wake Back to Bed method, WBTB, where you wake up after 4 to 6 hours of sleep, stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes, then go back to sleep using MILD. This timing increases your chances of entering REM sleep directly, making lucidity more likely. Reality checks are simple tests you perform throughout the day to determine whether you are awake or dreaming. The idea is that if you make this a habit, you will eventually perform a reality check while dreaming, triggering lucidity. Common reality checks include: looking at your hands, are they normal? Trying to push your finger through your palm, does it go through? Reading text twice, does it change? Or checking a clock, does the time make sense? Perform these checks 5 to 10 times a day, especially when something unusual happens. The key is to do them with genuine intent, not just mechanically. Ask yourself, am I dreaming? And look for inconsistencies. Over time, this habit will carry over into your dreams, and when you notice something bizarre, you'll automatically do a reality check and become lucid. The first moment of lucidity can be fragile. Excitement or fear can wake you up, ending the dream prematurely. Your goal is to stabilize the dream. Upon becoming lucid, immediately engage your senses. Rub your hands together, touch the ground, or spin around in the dream. These actions ground you in the dream environment and prevent awakening. Also, speak out loud, increase clarity now, or stabilize. This verbal command can help the dream become more vivid. Avoid staring at details too intently, as that can cause the dream to fade. Instead, focus on the overall scene and interact with it. With practice, you'll be able to maintain lucidity for longer periods, allowing you to explore and experiment. Here's a practical 30-day plan to build your lucid dreaming skills. Week 1, focus on dream recall. Write in your dream journal every morning. Set your intention before sleep. Week 2, introduce reality checks. Do 5 to 10 checks daily. Start using the MILD technique before bed. Week 3, combine MILD with WBTB. Wake up after 4 to 6 hours, stay awake briefly, then return to sleep with MILD. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week. Week 4, practice stabilizing techniques. When you become lucid, use grounding methods to prolong the dream. Keep a log of your experiences. By the end of 30 days, you should have experienced at least one lucid dream. Remember, consistency is key. A 2017 study in the journal Dreaming found that combining mild and WBTB was significantly more effective than control conditions. So stick with it, be patient, and enjoy the journey into your own mind.